Hello, my name is Saira. Today we are going to learn a traditional game of Kenya that was played with our grandparents. Now we are going to play it as. It's called Kode.
Malaika, nakupenda malaika.
We use small stones to play this game.
Nakupenda malaika.
Draw a circle or make a shallow hole on the ground. Put the small stones inside and leave the one outside.
Nashindwa na mali nawe. Ningekuwa wa malaika. Nashindwa na mali nawe.
Throw the stone into the air and remove others one by one. When all the stones are out of the circle, start the game again. This time putting the stones back into the second hole.
Wasasumbua roho yangu nami nifa